everyone, welcome back. Today's video is about affiliate marketing networks. So basically, if you are looking for products to promote for your affiliate marketing business, but you don't know the websites which will suit you or which are easy to use, then in this video I will be sharing 6 best affiliate marketing networks with you. So let's start with the number 1 affiliate marketing network website. So basically it's called Digistore. You sign up for this completely free, and you go to its marketplace and all offers on affiliate marketplace, and you will find digital products category, and you'll find events and seminars and physical products. So basically there are so many categories for you, so many niches from which you can select products and you can start promoting. So as I have selected this niche, fitness and health, and you can see here there are so many products which you will find. And the good thing about this network is that you don't have to ask for the approval of the affiliate link. They just give you right here, and they tell you the commissions and CAs, your earnings, and you can access their sales page and affiliate support page. Everything they have calculated everything for you here, and it's very easy and why you should promote their product. So basically it's very user-friendly website. Okay, so number 2 is Warrior Plus. As I have already signed up for this, I go to its marketplace and I have so many categories to select from: top products, categories, alerts, and deal of the day. And then here are the products which I can promote, but on this platform you will have to ask the vendor for the approval of your affiliate link, and overall it's also very easy to use, and I like this. I like to work with this platform. Okay, then there is JV Zoo. Okay, you sign up for this completely free, and here you can see the product, and you can go to its marketplace. You can check out its launch list, top sellers, featured programs, products, and here you can check everything. Okay, so marketplace, I go to marketplace and I look for the product in any niche which I want to promote. So I'll find so many products to promote here, and you will get all the details of those products, when they are launching and when the launch is ending, and evergreen products, everything. You'll find everything on this platform. Okay, then the 4th website I use is the Amazon, the associates program. You sign up for that completely free, and then you come to this browse for product here, and then these are the categories which you can select from. So tools and equipment is the category I have selected. Okay, it's loading. Oh yeah, so here are the products which I can get affiliate link for and can start promoting. You click here to get the HTML code, and you click this arrow to get the link of this product.
These were the 4 affiliate marketing networks which are easy to use, and you can subscribe for more updates.